Chanel new mini crystal pearls chain bag. We have seen a lot of pearl bags, but if there is a newer version that's so eye-catching that every fashionista wants it. Meet the Chanel new mini bag that features a woven chain strap together with a pearl strap. This bag comes with a vintage CC logo and has a beautiful curved shape on the sides. The diamond quilting makes the bag feminine and ultra-chic. What's more, this bag is made from calfskin, which is durable and strong leather. If you look at the details, the new mini bag is slightly different than the original version. The CC logo as well as the shape feels a bit different. The pearl strap is also stunning.